Okay, there we are. Left side all back together. This here is an adjustment. If you can see that, I scribed around the aluminum part there and adjusted that. Well, actually, adjusted on that side. See if I can get it in the picture here. That's an eccentric, so that you can turn the camber. That's the camber adjustment, I think. And this is the height adjustment. As you can see, we've got, well, I didn't loosen those up, so they should stay the same. Got the blocks on the top and these blocks in the back. Got the spherical bearings in there. Put a dab of Loctite on there. That's, what is it? It's 1 3/4 are these things here. So yeah, I'm lucky I had a socket that would do that. The other side I had to use a pipe wrench, but hey, they're snuggled on there good. They got a drop of Loctite. They should be good to go. And I guess tomorrow we'll start on the other side.